4 minutes and 14 seconds. Ay kasamang foul. Foul to number 3 in the act of shooting. Silent foul. Warning for penalty ang anak Kanamaki. First through, no good. Esther Rabia pass through. 1 point. Ay, trace na ito. Ano ba isa? 3 points dito. 3 points. Sorry. 3 points. Sa 3 points na area na ito. Yes, Eric Curry. Oh, Kanama. Grabe. Faster. Number 26. Now, oh, Nadia. Ay, wala. Oh, Eric Curry. Oh, Team Kanama. Nothing but that. 2 points. 15-7. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Panama. Oh, lumikit. Pass. To Acapulco number 14. Wala. Nakuha ni Capno. Now good again. Nakuha sa jersey number 11. Intercepted ni Mr. Acapulco. Ako na lang. Maramang kasama. Ubit-bit na mong badai sa ilang bola. 9:15. 3 minutes and 4 seconds for the first quarter. Esteban Curry ng Team Kanama. And then, Koga, rebounding number 26. Go points. Jersey number 26, Kanama. Score 9-17 in favor of Team Kanama. Owadabia, 3 points, Bahala. Owadabia of Pipa Sensu, 12-17. Number 15, quarter 2. Nakikita ko na saan. Tanong na siya na. At number 3, correct. Pass to Capno, the big man. 2 points. Capno. 14-17. 3 points na lang. 3 points na lang. Labaw sa Team Kanama. Number 13. Bali, wag po ang pagkikuhan. Holding the play. All the jersey number 25. 1 minute and 51 seconds sa score. Quezon City, labaw ang Team Kanama. And the setup. Esteban Curry, pass up. Last touch. 1 minute and 42 seconds. 14-17 ang score. Lumikit. Pass to Acapulco. May kasamang foul. (16-17) basketball foul jersey number penalty.